We have some friends playing horns for you this evening. Please welcome Rich, Nick, Dave. Over here in the right corner, fantastic Will and Ross playing strings for you.
As the winter winds litter London with lonely hearts, oh, the warmth in your eyes swept me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold that led us through the night? For every kiss your beauty trumped my doubt, and my head told my heart let love grow, but my heart told my head this time no, this time no. We'll be washed and buried one day, my girl, and the time we were given will be left for the world. The flesh that lived in love will be eaten by pain. So let the memories be good for those who stay. Hey, and my head told my heart let love grow, but my heart told my head this time no. Yes, my heart told my head this time no, this time no. Oh, the shame that sent me off from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me into your arms. Oh, and pestilence is one when you are lost and I am gone, and no hope will overcome. But if your strife strikes at your sleep, remember